All right, hello and welcome back. Today we're going to talk about an interesting topic that probably impacts you a lot in your daily life, which is how Google ranks web pages. And in this chapter, we're going to use a little more math than we used in the previous chapters. We're going to have to solve a system of equations, a very simple one, but we'll walk through it step by step and really explain to you how to do that. And we'll gain an appreciation for why that's very important. So just wanted to point that out. And this lecture will also be shorter than the previous two lectures that we looked at. So previously in the last two, we were looking at first cellular devices, and we looked at how your cell phone knows what to transmit and what power to transmit at. And then with Wi-Fi, we looked at random access protocols and different ways of sharing under Wi-Fi. So here we're switching gears and we're talking about a web-based application, which is Google. And we're going to look at Google search specifically and focus on that. So this is united under the general theme that consensus is hard, which is the second principle that we go through and the optional reading available for this course. Under that window, we also have what's called AdWords, which is Google's way of selling ad spaces to people. And we look at that as well. We're not going to have time to look at that in this course, but we do that in the book, and perhaps in a future offering on this course, we'll go back and revisit that. PageRank, which is also what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be looking at that. And then another one is consensus formation on Wikipedia. So how they follow the principle and the process of rough consensus to come up with a consensus on things. So you can see how each of these are really a consensus problem. With AdWords, we have to figure out basically which people should get assigned to which ad spaces. With PageRank, we have to come up with a consensus as to which web pages should be ranked higher and displayed first in the search results page. And at Wikipedia, we have to come up with a process of rough consensus. We have to follow the principle of rough consensus in order to come up and figure out which edits should be kept and which ones should be tossed away when there's conflicting opinions resulting. And so, but here we're going to be focusing again on the PageRank aspect.